Welcome to Eat and Feel Living. So today I'm going to be doing something very exciting. In June, I did a process called airlayering on one of my bushes, and I did 2 branches. So today you're going to come along with me and see if these 2 branches have rooted. I'm so excited. I wanted to prune this back, but then I came across airlayering and then I thought, okay, let me just give it a go. So guys, come along and see if this was a successful process or not. Okay, I'm feeling quite excited. Do you see those white things, guys? Those things look like roots. So I'm really excited. I can't wait to open this little puzzle. So let's see together.